Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today we will learn lesson 28 or Dai Niju Hachika. My dear friends, this video cover whole lesson. There are so many grammars are there, kanji also there. So please have patience and learn thoroughly. Watch the video till end so that you can understand details. It will be benefit for you if you learn thoroughly. Let's start. In this lesson, we will learn verb mass form Nagara, verb 2, verb te form, plain form she, soreni and sorede, and some kanji. Bunpo. Verb mass form Nagara, verb 2. This grammar pattern used when a person does two different actions, verb 1 and verb 2 at the same time. The verb 2 is more emphasized. The verb comes before Nagara, it takes mass form. This grammar form we used when we do two actions in same time. This Nagara form is used. The second verb which comes after Nagara, it is more emphasized. Look at the example sentence. Re ongaku wa kikinagara sanposhimasu. Next, Nihon de hataraki nagara nihongo wo benkyou shite imasu. Aruki nagara hanashite imasu. Hanashi o kikinagara memo shite kudasai. Ocha o nominagara hanashimasu. Here you find kikimasu, kiki, nagara. So, ongaku o kikinagara sanposhimasu. While I am walking, I am listening the music. Nihon de hataraki nagara. Hatarakimasu. So, hataraki, it is a mass form. Nagara. Nihongo wo benkyou shite imasu. While I am studying Japanese language at Japan, I work there. Aruki nagara hanashite imasu. While I am talking, I am walking. Hanashi o kikinagara memo shite kudasai. While you are listening to talk, please write down. Please write down while you are listening to talk. So, kikimasu, kikinagara. Next, ocha o nominagara hanashimasu. Nagara form. So, before nagara, nomimasu. So, nomi is mass form. Mass form means you just cut mass, rest of the word is mass form. So, nomimasu, if we remove mass, then nomi. Hanashimasu, if we remove mass, then hanashi. Kikimasu, kiki. Tabemasu, tabe. Benkyou shimasu, benkyou shi. So, nomi, hanashimasu. While talking, let's have tea. Ocha o nominagara hanashimasu. While talking, let's have tea. Hope you understand how to use Nagara. While we use Nagara form, it takes two verbs. The first verb which comes before the Nagara, it takes mass form and emphasize on the second verb. It means more stress on the second verb which comes after Nagara. Please pause the video and write 2 or 3 sentences by yourself so you can understand the implementation of the grammar. My dear friends, learning a language is very easy, but implementing a language is very difficult. So please, while you are learning, you write down sentence and speak loudly, so it will help you in spoken also. Okay. Verb te form imasu. We already learned verb te form imasu in N5 in so many situations. Let's see. An individual's customary action is expressed by this sentence pattern. We already learned when you explain our habitual things and our customary things, verb te imasu we used. The past customary action is expressed by verb te imashita. Look at the sentence. Mainichi koe no sanpo shite imasu. Gakusei no toki e o kaite imashita. Sumatsu terebi o mitari kaimono shitari shite imasu. Mainichi koe no sanpo shite imasu. Gakusei no toki e o kaite imashita. While I was a student, I draw the pictures. Sumatsu terebi o mitari kaimono shitari shite imasu. Sumatsu weekend. In weekend, I watch TV, I do shopping, all those things. Sampo shite imasu, kaite imashita, shite imasu. The last verb is determined whether it is past form or in non-past form. So, when we describe the past form, it will take te imashita, and when we mention non-past form, te imasu. Please pause the video and write 2-3 sentences. Next grammar is plain form C. This form of grammar we use in following situation. Let's see what are the situation we use C. When we use C form, it takes plain form of first. When sentences are stated from certain viewpoints, for example, when we describing the merits of subject, when we stated a certain viewpoints, or when you say that some merit point of a subject, of a person, of a place, in that case we used C, and it always takes plain form before it. Look at the sentence. Mirasan wa shinsetsu dashi, nessun dashi, keiken mo arimasu. Mr. Miller shinsetsu desu, shinsetsu da. Nessin dashi, nessin desu, nessin da. Shinsetsu and nessin both are na adjectives, so this changes to da. Keiken mo arimasu. Okay, so here we explain so many viewpoints and so many merit points of a person. Mirasan is a person. Here one merit shinsetsu, nessin, and keiken means experience. Here we explain 3 points. So we used C. Understood? So Mirasan wa shinsetsu dashi, nessin dashi, keiken mo arimasu. Mr. Miller is kind. Nessin means enthusiasm, and keiken mo arimasu. He also has experience. Yamada-san wa wakaishi, karada mo ookishi, chikara mo chuoi desu. Mr. Yamada is young, body is also so big. Chikara mo chuoi desu, also has strong power. In this sentence we have wakai 1 point, karada mo ooki 2nd point, and chikara mo chuoi. So there are so many points in a sentence, so we used C. Yamada-san wa wakaishi, karada mo ookishi, chikara mo chuoi desu. Understood where to use C grammar? When we describe some merit points or some points of the subject, we use plain form C. The second is when we mention more than one reason or causes. When we explain more than one reason or causes, we also used C. Read the sentence. Kono restaurant no tabemono wa oishii shi, nedan mo yasui shi, itsumo koko de tabete imasu. Here you find tabemono wa oishii, nedan mo wa yasui. Suppose someone asks you why you always eat in this restaurant. Because food is tasty and price also cheap. So I always eat here. So when we have more than one reason to mention, we can use C form of the grammar. And C form of grammar takes plain form, maybe adjective, maybe verb. The second sentence is uchikara chikaisi aruite korarerushi ichimo konnemosede tabete imasu. So first reason is uchikara chikaisi. Chikai, it is e adjective, so chikaisi. Aruite korarerushi, you know, kimas is come. Its ability form or kanokei form is korare mas. Korareru is plain form. So korareru si. We learn this in lesson 27, previous lesson. Itsumo kono mise de tabete imasu. This shop is nearer to my house and I can come here by walk. So I always eat in this shop. Next. Iromo kireidasi, saijmo chodo isi, konokuchuo kaimasu. Iro, color. Kireidasi, color is beautiful. Saijmo chodo isi. Saijmo chodo isi. The size is perfect. Konokuchuo kaimasu. I buy this shoe. When we explain more than two views or 2 points of the subject or topic of the sentence, and when we explain, when we describe more than one reason, more than one cause in a sentence, we use this grammar form. Understood? Soreni. When we add another similar fact or situation or similar viewpoint in a sentence, we add soreni. Let's learn from a conversation. A-san to B-san. A-san. Doshite kono gakko de osietan desu ka? B-san. Uchi kara chikai shi, kyuryo mo ii shi, sore ni gakuchou ga yasashi hito desu kara. A. Person A is asking why you are teaching in this school. B is A. Person B is saying uchi kara chikai shi, this is nearer to my house. Kyuryo mo ii shi, salary also good. Sore ni gakuchou ga yasashi hito desu kara. In addition to that, principal also very gentle person. So, meaning of sore ni addition. In addition to that, we get here that when we add sore ni, after sore ni a similar fact or a similar viewpoint will come. Is that clear? Why you are teaching in this school? Because this school is nearer to my house. Salary also good, and the above all or in addition to that, school principal is very gentle person. So I am teaching over here. So here one point is chikai, another is kyuryo mo ii, salary is good. Gakuchou ga yasashi hito desu. Hope you understand. Karina-san wa kirei dashi, shinsetsu dashi, sore ni uttamo utaemasu. Miss Karina is beautiful, kind. In addition to that, she can sing this song. So, after sore ni, another viewpoint or another fact will come. Next sentence is kono mise wa nedan mo yasui shi, aji mo ii shi, sore ni uchi kara chikai desu. Here also, nedan mo yasui, price is cheap. Aji mo ii, taste is good. Sore ni uchi kara chikai. In this shop, price is cheap, taste also good, and it is nearer to my house. When we use grammar C form, you find that we also using mo particle. Here also you can say kono mise wa nedan ga yasui shi, aji mo ii shi, sore ni uchi kara chikai desu. Here also instead of mo, ga can go. We can use ga particle also. It is also correct. So when we use plain form C, we can use mo particle and also ga particle. Hope you understand how to use sore ni. Next, sore de. It is a conjunction used when we express the reason or cause. Sore de is used when we add a reason or cause in a sentence. Let's learn the sentence. Konokurumawa katachi mo iishi, iro mo kirei dashi, nedan mo sonna ni takaku nai shi, sore de kaimashita. Here you find katachi mo iishi, design is good or shape is good. Iro mo kirei dashi, the color is beautiful. Nedan mo sonna ni takaku nai shi, sore de kaimashita. My dear friends, never be confused while you are using sore ni and sore de. When you add a similar viewpoint, similar fact, a same situation, then sore ni will use in a sentence just before the last situation or last fact. But sore de we use when we add the reason, when you describe the reason, when you express out the reason or cause why we do this. Okay. Here, suppose someone is asking why you buy this car, because katachi mo iishi, the shape is good, the design is good, you can say. Iro mo kirei dashi, the color also nice, beautiful. Nedan mo sonna ni takaku nai, the price is not that much high. That is the reason. That's why I purchased this one. Come to next sentence. Koko wa kohi mo oishii shi, sokuji mo dekiru shi, sore de hito ga oin desu. In this place, coffee is tasty. Sokuji mo dekiru shi, you can able to eat something. Sore de hito ga oin desu. That is the reason here people are more. Come to next sentence. Kono mise wa kirei dashi, sabishi mo ii shi, ongaku mo kikeru shi, sore de ichumo kono mise de tabemasu. This shop is clean, or you can say also beautiful. Sabishi mo ii shi, the service is good. Ongaku mo kikeru shi, you can able to listen the music. Sore de ichumo kono mise de tabemasu. That is the reason I always eat in this shop. Kono mise wa kirei dashi, this shop is very clean or shop is beautiful. Sabishi mo ii shi, the service is good. Ongaku mo kikeru shi, you can listen the music. Sore de ichumo kono mise de tabemasu. That is the reason I always eat in this shop. When you explain a reason or cause, we use sore de in a sentence. My dear friends, you must understand where to use sore ni and sore de. Sore ni we use when we add a similar fact or similar situation or similar points in a sentence, and sore de we use when we explain the reason and cause. Understood? Please don't confuse while you using sore ni and sore de. My dear friends, when you are learning one grammar, listen carefully. After learning, pause the video and write 2-3 sentences by yourself. So it will help you to remember the grammar, and also it will help you how to use it. Some exercise right now. In every lessons, I have given some exercise based on the grammar we learn in that lesson. So please do it. It will help you to enhance your knowledge. Let's start. Kakko no naka ni tekitou na doushi o irenasai. Fill the gap with appropriate verb. Re. Michi o aruki nagara tabako o suwanai de kudasai. While you are walking, please don't smoke. So, 1番から5番まで自分でやってください。Please do by yourself from question number 1 to question number 5. Pause the video, do it, then check with the answer. Let's check. 1番、本を読みながらバスを待って imasita. While I was waiting for the bus, I read the book. So yomimas, yomi, Nagara pattern. So Nagara form of the grammar takes verb mass form. Niban, gamuo kami Nagara, unten suruto amari nemuku narimasen. While you are driving, if you chew chewing gum, you don't feel sleepy. So kamima, so kamina gara. Next, Sanban, kanojo wa ginko de hataraki nagara sousechi wo kakimasu. While writing novel, she is working in a bank. So hatarakimasu, hataraki nagara. Yonban, kare wa arubaito wo shinagara daigaku ni kayotte imasu. Daigaku ni kayotte imasu means going to university, means studying in a university. While he is studying in a university, he is doing part-time job. Arubaito means part-time job. Shimasu, shi nagara. Goban, ichimo kajoku to ban gohan o tabe nagara usabiri shite imasu. Okay, hope all of you done correctly. Next, again some exercise. Kako no naka ni tekito na kotoba o irenasai. Fill the gap with appropriate word. Here I have given one example sentence. Rest of the thing ichiban kara sanban made jibunde yatte kudasai. Please pause the video. Ere kurumano untenmo dekirushi, chikaramo arushi, ototo ni hikoshi o techudatte moraimasu. Kurumano untenmo dekirushi, chikaramo arushi, ototo ni hikoshi o techudatte moraimasu. Here I used arimasu word and dekimasu word. Please pause the video and use rest of the words. Fill the gaps over here from question number 1 to question number 3. After that, check with the answer. Then, let's check. Ichi. Watashi wa keiken mo nai shi, pasokon mo chukae nai shi, kono shigoto wa muri desu. Arimasen, nai, plain form because she is you are using, so it takes plain form, nai shi. Pasokon mo chukae masen, so chukae nai shi. Kono shigoto wa muri desu. As I don't have experience and also I cannot use personal computer, so this job is difficult for me. Niban, kanojo wa majime dashi, nessin dashi, hayaku nihongo ga jouju ni naru to omoimasu. Here we used majime and nessin, 2 words. Sanban, nihon no seikatsu ni naremashita ka? Demo, 習慣も違うし、日本語も話せないし、時々国へ帰りたくなります。Here I used 違います and 話せません、話せない。違います、違う、話せません、話せないし、cannot speak. Hope all of you done correctly. This is a paragraph. While you read the paragraphs, you fill the form of the verb. Once more exercise. Kako no naka ni tekito na kotoba o irenasai. Fill the gap with appropriate word. This is a paragraph. This is not a particular question. So you read the paragraphs as per it and fill up the form of the word. Which form will go? Because there are some different type of grammar patterns you find in a sentence. So accordingly you do it. Look at here. Kino chikaku no koe ne hanami ni ikimashita. Nichiyobi de tenki ga yokatta desu kara koe no wa hito ga sugoi hito deshita. Minna hana o nagara over here. So mi must for. So mi will go. Minna gara. Okay. So this is here. Me will go because Nagara grammar form we learn it takes mass form. Mass form means we omit mass this form, mimas, minagara. Please pause the video and do by yourself, then check with the answer. Done? Let's check. Kino chikakuno koeni hanamini ikimasita. Nichio bide. Tenkiga yokatta desu kara koen wa hito ga sugoi hito desita. Minna hanami o minagara, because nagara grammar is over here, so mass form will go, so mimas will here. Minagara tabemas. Here it is comes ri, so tabe tari. Nomimas, here also ri, so non dari. Ta form of the verb will take here, will write here, because ri is there. We know in lesson Minna no Nihongo part 1, in lesson we learn verb take ta form. When ri comes, this grammar will come, so it will go here, same tabetari nondari. Imasita, so te form will go, shimas sitte imasita. Okay. Karaoke de utatteiru hitomo imasita, so ita, because she takes plain form of the verb, so imasita no plain form is ita. Hitomo itashi utaimasu, utat. Here it is Nagara grammar given, so as like this, here it will go utai nagara, mas will omit, only utai will go, mas form nagara, so utai nagara, odotteiru hitomo imasita. Watashi no kuni wa sakura no ki mo sukunai desu. Sukunai, here it is she grammar, so plain form she, so sukunai she. Sukunai, it is an adjective, e adjective. You know, in e adjective, when we change to plain form, only this only omit. Adjective remain same, maybe non-past, maybe past, maybe positive, maybe negative. So sukunai she. Hanami no shukan mo arimasen. Arimasen, plain form is nai, so nai she. Hanami o shitakoto ga arimasen desita. Okay. Hope you understand and you do correctly. When it comes this type of question pattern, please check the grammar form. What is the grammar form? It is given over here. So accordingly you change the form of verb or adjective or noun also whenever it will come. Okay. So, now kanji. My dear friends, there is a separate kanji video for N4 level. I am giving kanji in every lesson because you get habituated to learn some kanjis in lesson and it will help you to improve your language knowledge. Let's start. Imi. Meaning of this kanji is house, home, residence. Kunyomi is nothing. Onyomi is tako. Jitaku, my house. Meaning of this kanji, guest, customer. Kunyomi, nothing. Onyomi, kyaku. Okyaku, customer. Meaning of this kanji, room. Kunyomi, also not there. Onyomi, sitsu. Kyo sitsu, classroom. Meaning of this kanji, house. Kunyomi, ie, ya. Onyomi, ka, ke. Kazuku, family. My dear friends, all 4 kanjis made by Ukanmuri. This busu is called Ukanmuri. If you go through the video, kanji video, you will get details of the busu. Meaning of this kanji, super, and this kanji using for England. Kunyomi, nothing. Onyomi, ei. Ei koku, England. Ei gono, ei also, this kanji. Meaning of this kanji, medicine. Kunyomi, kusuri. Onyomi, yaku. Me gusuri, eye lotion. When kusuri used over here after the me kanji, so reading will be me gusuri. Gu changed to gu. So me gusuri means eye lotion. I think you get benefit from this lesson. Share with your friends if you think your friends will get benefit from this lesson. Let's meet in next class with a new lesson. Till that time, stay healthy, stay safely.